Lifecycle services orchestration actually brings together the different functionalities what a customer would require when he's consuming network services, and especially here on the Ethernet, carrier Ethernet services side. So lifecycle, as the name already explains, starts from ordering to provisioning to invoicing, not to forget. This is quite an essential piece, which is quite some challenge for a network provider to get now to this agile environment. And so therefore for me, LSO is quite a very essential evolution of the capabilities what has been now implemented with SDN and NFV. Yeah, so for me this is a, let's say, it started with the capabilities. So it started with technology, with new ways how to operate and run services on the network. So software-defined networking, as well as then virtualized functions. But these were only capabilities. These were only things you can do, you can operate in a network. And being a service provider person, I always struggled in the last couple of years that the capabilities were seen in isolation. Because, and this is exactly the next step what is needed now, and the MEF is doing a great job here in defining this LSO framework, because these capabilities need to get together and need to integrate in the whole life cycle of a services delivered by a carrier. And so for me, the capability is only one foundation, and bringing this together in a living, or let's say in a, yeah, as the word is saying, life cycle environment covering the different stages of a customer experiencing and using network services. Yeah, for the enterprise end user, it's of course essential that all these stages, when he starts to decide using a network service, are covered in the new way how they want now to consume network services. Meaning they would like to place an order very rapidly, instantly, without having maybe the hassle to go through paperwork orders. Maybe then there are some last-minute changes, they have to do the rework of paper, so this is all gone. So they need to be able to place orders in the same agility way and flexible way as they then would like to see the network provisioned. So therefore, enterprise customers for me will benefit most that these different stages are exactly following their consumption approach. They decide to use a network service. They want to place the order now in the way how they prefer, typically electronic or via APIs, via interfaces. And then the services are instantly delivered, and whenever there is a change during the lifetime of a network service, they can do this also agile and instantly. And finally, what is not so the preference of a network provider, can terminate their services as well at the end.